She waited for him for 3 years.
3 years. Every day. Every night.
She never stopped believing he would come back.
But then, she found out the truth.
And everything changed.
Hello! Welcome to English Cast Duo. I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia. Today, we have a very emotional story for you.
This is a love story. But it is also a story about waiting and truth.
We speak slowly and clearly. This story is for 2 English learners.
After the story, we have a shadowing practice for you.
Are you ready? Let's begin.
Our story is about a young woman. Her name is Sara.
Sara is 24 years old. She lives in a small city.
Sara has a boyfriend. His name is Tom. They love each other very much.
Tom and Sara are together for 2 years. They are very happy.
One day, Tom gets big news.
A company in another country wants Tom to work for them.
The job pays very good money. It is a big opportunity.
Tom is excited, but Sara is scared.
What about us? Sara asks.
Tom holds her hand. He looks into her eyes.
Sara, he says, I will go for 1 year. Just 1 year.
I will save money, then I will come back.
I will marry you. I promise.
Sara looks at him. She wants to believe him.
1 year? She asks.
1 year, Tom says. I promise.
So Tom leaves. Sara stays.
At first, everything is okay. Tom calls Sara every day.
They talk for a long time. They share photos. They send messages.
Sara misses Tom very much, but she is happy. She is waiting for him.
1 year passes.
Tom does not come back.
I need more time, Tom says. Just 6 more months.
Sara understands. She continues to wait.
6 months pass. Tom still does not come back.
His calls become less. 1 time a week, then 1 time every 2 weeks.
Sara feels something is wrong, but she loves Tom. She trusts him.
2 years pass. Sara is still waiting.
Her friends say, Sara, forget him. Move on.
But Sara shakes her head. No, she says. He will come back. He made a promise. Let's stop here for a moment. Listen to these sentences again.
Repeat after me slowly.
1 year passes.
His calls become less.
He made a promise.
Say it one more time. He made a promise.
Great. Now, let's go back to Sara.
3 years. Sara has waited for 3 years.
One Sunday morning, Sara wakes up early.
She makes coffee. She opens her phone.
She sees a notification. A friend tagged Tom in a photo.
Sara clicks on the photo.
She sees Tom. He is smiling.
He's standing in a garden. There are flowers everywhere.
And next to him is a woman.
Tom is holding the woman's hand. They are both wearing white.
Sara looks at the photo again. Her hands start to shake.
The photo says, Congratulations to Tom and Emily on their wedding day.
Sara's heart stops.
Tom is married. He has a wife. Her name is Emily.
He did not come back. He did not call. He said nothing.
He just chose a new life. And he forgot about Sara.
Sara puts down her phone. She walks to the window.
She looks outside. The sky is gray. It is raining.
She does not cry. Not yet.
She just stands there, in the silence.
3 years of waiting, and this is the truth.
That day, Sara cries for a long time.
She calls her sister. Her sister comes to her home.
She holds Sara and says, You are not alone.
For some weeks, Sara is very sad. She does not go outside.
But slowly, things change.
Sara starts to go for walks in the morning.
She reads books. She learns new things.
She joins an English class. She makes new friends. Sara thinks for a moment, then she smiles.
I am okay, Sara says. I am better now.
I was waiting for him to come back, but now I don't want him to.
Because I found myself.
This is the lesson today.
Sometimes the people we love, they choose a different path.
It hurts. It hurts very much.
But we can still move forward.
We can still find happiness. We can still find ourselves.
Remember this sentence. Some people are lessons, not forever.
Some people are lessons, not forever.
Beautiful and sad at the same time, right?
Yes, very true.
Now, shadowing practice. Listen and repeat.
She waited for him for 3 years.
He made a promise, but he did not keep it.
She found herself.
Say it again, slowly. Great work.
If this story touched your heart, please like this video.
Subscribe to English Cast Duo. New stories every week.
See you next time.
Bye!